Hi, I'm Ryan from Foxtecc, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel an Amazon order on your iPad. Whether you've made a purchase by mistake or simply changed your mind, canceling an order on Amazon is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Amazon app on your iPad. Once you've got the app open, look for the menu icon, which is represented by three lines, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on this menu icon to access a list of options. From the menu, select Your Orders. This will take you to a page where you can see all of your recent orders. Scroll through the list to find the order you want to cancel and tap on it to view the order details. Once you're on the order details page, you'll see an option to cancel items or cancel order, depending on the status of your order. If it's a multiple item order and you only want to cancel certain items, you can select which ones to cancel. After making your selections, tap Cancel Checked Items or Cancel Order to proceed. After you've confirmed the cancellation, Amazon will send you a confirmation email letting you know that the order has been successfully canceled. This email will provide details of the cancellation so you can be sure that everything has been processed correctly. And that's it. Canceling an Amazon order on your iPad is easy and only takes a few minutes. Just follow these steps and you'll be able to manage your orders with confidence. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips and guides. See you later.